Good morning, student. Today we discuss about the factorizations, revision exercise number 5, splitting of middle terms. The up to 15th question we have discussed yesterday, and now start from the 16th question. 1 over 35 plus 12 over 35a plus a square. Now 35 is LCM. 1 plus 12a plus 35a square. 1 over 35 bracket 1 plus 12a plus 35. This LCM, this is 35. Now middle term split into two parts. Their sum is 12. So this means and product is 35. 7. This one we have 7 plus 5, that is 12, and 7a, and this one we have 7a multiplied by 5, where this is 35a square. So this one we have 35a square. This is 35a square. Now what we have, that equal to, this is 7a plus 5a, that is 35 square. 1 over 35, that equal to 1 is common here. 1 plus 7a plus 5, 1 plus 7a. And 1 plus 7a is a common factors. 1 plus 7a is a common factor. 1 plus 5a. Now this way, at last we have 1 over 35 plus 1. This is 1 plus 7a bracket 1 plus 5a. Now next what we have, that is x square minus 3x bracket close, x square minus 3x minus 1 and bracket close minus 30. Now this one x square minus 3x, x square minus 3 इसको put कर लिया मैंने. X square I write here x square minus 3x square bracket x square minus 3x I put here x square minus 3x equal to t. So what we have, t bracket t minus 1, this is t, and this is also t minus 1 minus 30, t square minus t minus 20, t square minus. Now middle term split into two parts. अगर middle term को हम लिखें 5 plus 4, that is sum equal to minus 1, and product equal to minus 1 multiplied by 4, that equal to minus 20. Now this one we have t equal to t into 1 minus 5, t minus 5 plus 4 into t minus 5, and t minus 5 is a common factor, and t plus 4. Now what is the value of t equal to x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x minus 5 bracket close, x square minus 3x plus 4. That's all. This is your answer we have. Now each is the polynomials, the quadratic expressions given below, and find out whether it is a factorizables or not. Factorize possible, factorize if possible. X square minus 3x minus 40, 54. First question, this one we have x square minus 3x minus 40. This one we have comparing it equations, quadratic equation, that is a x square plus bx plus c, or a equal to 1 and coefficient of x square a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 54, and discriminant equal to b square minus 4 3 का square minus 3 का square plus 4 into 1 multiplied by minus 54, that is 9 plus 1 216, and this is 225. It is a perfect square. इसका मीनिंग हुआ है कि ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. नाउ स्प्लिटिंग मिडल टर्म इनटू टू पार्ट्स. मिडल टर्म को दो पार्टों में स्प्लिट करना है, बट देयर प्रोडक्ट इज माइनस 54. 9x प्लस 6x माइनस 54. x is common, x minus 9 plus 6 into x minus 9, x minus 9, x minus 6. Now this is a common factors we can write here, so this is common factors. Now next question that we have, a factor is possible. This is 2x square minus 7x minus 15, 15 to the 30, or this means splitting middle term into two part, minus 10x 3x equal to 15, and 2x is common, x minus 5, and what is the common here? Here 3 is common, 3 and 5, 3 common, x minus 5. X minus 5 is a common factor, and 2x plus 3. Now 2x square plus 2x minus 75, comparing with the a square. Now next question we have 2x square plus 2x minus 70, comparing it with the quadratic equation. This is a quadratic polynomials. This is x square coefficient is 2 and b is 2 and c equal to minus 75. Discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. b is का square minus 4 into 2 bracket minus 75 and 2 का square 4 and this one we have 600 and 604 which is not a perfect square of any numbers. 604 is not a square. So 2x square plus 2x square plus 2x minus 75 is not factorizable. The next question, that is question number 18th. The question number 4th, where we have 3x square plus 4x minus 10. Comparing it with the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx, the coefficient of x square equal to 3, x square, coefficient of x equal to b equal to 4 and c equal to minus 10. Discriminant b square minus 4ac, b का square that is equal to b का square minus 4 into 3 into 10 and this one is 16 plus 120. 136 is not a perfect square number, therefore 136 is not a perfect square, which is not a perfect square, factorizable. Perfect square, therefore 3x square plus 4x square, it is not a factorizable. It is not a factorizable. Now next we have fifth question, x into 2x minus 1 bracket x minus 1 and this is 1 and this is 2x square minus x minus 1, comparing it with a x square plus b x plus c. What is the coefficient of x square, that is 2, and coefficient of x, that is b equal to minus 1, and coefficient of c is a constant on x, c constant term equal to minus 1. Now discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac, v का square minus 1 का square minus 4 into 2 into minus 1 and 2 2s are 4, that is 1 plus 8 equal to 9, which is not a perfect square. Therefore, which is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square of any number, that is 3 का square 9, which is a perfect square. 2x square minus x minus 1, that is equal to 2x square, with middle term split into 2x plus x minus 1. What is a common? X minus 1 is a common, 1 plus 1 x minus 1, but is a common factor, x minus 1 is a common, 2x plus 1. Now 19th question, what we have, this one we have 4 into root of 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 into root of 3. Now this here 4 into, now middle term is split into two parts. अगर by a quadratic this here square term और स्क्वायर टर्म का कॉफिशेंट और कांस्टेंट के टर्म के कॉफिशेंट को मल्टीप्लाई 4 2 8 एंड स्क्वायर रूट इज कैंसिल बाय स्क्वायर, दैट इज 24. और 5 दिस इज प्रोडक्ट इज 24, मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट इनटू माइनस 24, तो मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट इनटू हमने कांस्टेंट और कांस्टेंट हमारे दिस इज स्क्वायर टर्म का कॉफिशेंट का स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय -2 इनटू रूट ऑफ 3, that is equal to 8 multiplied by 3, that is 24. ये 24 आ गया हमारे पास. तो मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट इनटू टू पार्ट्स, जिसका मतलब 8x minus 3, that is 4x is common, root of 3x plus 2, and here is 3 root 3 is common, root 3 and plus 2. This one we have common factor is root of 3x plus 2 is common, and what we have left 4 and minus 3. This one we have. Now next question we have 7 into root of 2x square minus 10x minus 4 into root of 2. इसको प्रोडक्ट ले 28 56 minus 56. तो मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट इनटू टू पार्ट्स, y स्क्वायर टर्म्स एंड कांस्टेंट का प्रोडक्ट हो गई -56, और मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट इनटू टू पार्ट्स -14 plus 4 56. तो हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट इक्वल आ रही है और सम भी हमारे पास 10 आ रहा है. 7 into root of 2x square minus 14x plus 4x minus 4 into root of 2. That is what we have. 7x is common, root of 2x minus 2, and 4 is common, x minus root of 2. What we have? यहाँ हमारे पास 7x इज कॉमन 2 इंटू रूट ऑफ 2, यहाँ से हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, रूट ऑफ 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया, रूट 2 इंटू रूट ऑफ 2, 2x minus 2, and root of 2x minus 2 is a common factors, and 7 plus 2 into root of 2. Give the possible expression for the length and the breadth of the rectangles. Those area is this one we have expression. This is a quadratic expression. Area equal to 12x square minus 35x plus 12. That equal to 12x square minus this way 20x minus 15x plus 225. What is, अगर इनकी प्रोडक्ट ले स्क्वायर टर्म्स और कांस्टेंट की प्रोडक्ट है 300, और मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट इनटू 2 पार्ट्स 20 and this is also 300 plus 300. Now what we have, 4x is common, 3x minus 5 and 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5 is common, and 4x minus 5, this one we have, and this is a area of rectangle. That is we take any one is length and any breadth. That equal to, this is length, therefore length equal to 3x minus 5 and breadth equal to 4x minus 5. This one we have, that is area of rectangles unit. That's all.